Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a dirty bottle bottom pour. I already put my black around the edges. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanted to cover some edges up first, so I may not have to tilt it quite as much. So what I'm going to do is a dirty pour inside the cup. I got paint everywhere. So I just sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray, and I'm going to rub it in. I don't use it for cells, although this paint all has treadmill silicone, so we're going to get some cells in this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with, I probably should use the black with silicone. Some black with silicone in it. It's got a clump and I've been I finally got it. It was slowing me down today. Okay, so I'm going to follow that with the Robin's egg blue. That might make it more like a Payne's gray almost. Okay, so then I'm going to go with the Soho blue, manganese blue. And I'm going to follow that with, this is Soho Prussian blue mixed with, there's a mosquito after me, mixed with the Artist Loft iridescent medium, and it makes it more metallic. It's very pretty, because Prussian blue is normally much darker than this. And I have this sitting around, and I do believe this is Payne's gray. So I'm going to use that up. I'm going to use it all. Okay. And then I'm going to follow that with Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue hue. Of course, if you do use cobalt blue, you know that this isn't cobalt blue. I don't know why they named it that. They should have named it turquoise. Okay. So I don't want any, do I want white? Let me put just a little bit of white in between. I mean, I'll break it up as I pour it. I got bees buzzing around outside, scaring the crap out of me. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead with the iridescent blue again. Some manganese blue. Some cobalt blue hue. And the Robin's egg blue. I'm going to shove that down through. Alright, I'm going to top it off with just a little bit of black. So, if you're doing flip cups, normally you would flip this cup. But just to mix it up a little bit, instead of just doing a bottle pour where you do each color individually, make a flower, this is going to be kind of like a ring pour over a bottle bottom. I did not vent this because when you lift it, the paint should go back to the middle. And if it's all one glob, you can put a dot of white in there and work it out with a skewer. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pouring this. I'm glad all the white's coming out first. This is a 9 by 12 canvas, by the way. It's a level 2 from Michael's. very dark. That's fine with me. So I'm going to lift this up and let the paint come to the middle. Okay, so I'm going to take a skewer now and I'm going to pull 2 lines in. You won't notice much of it now, but when you start tilting, you can sometimes notice it. Of course, this one already went over the edge. Okay, let's start tilting. Now you don't have to keep the center. You can pour it off if you don't like it. Because I really love this side here. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of some of this paint here. And then I'm going to head over there. And hopefully not lose all that blue. And we have the black on the corners, so you don't have to go all the way over the edge. That's kind of cool right there. I want to take a little more there. Fast and hard tilt. Yeah, I really like this, so I want to kind of leave that. I don't know why my puppies are barking. It has nothing to do with me. They're not puppies, they're dogs. Eddie's a rescue. He's a German Shepherd Lab mix, but he's not very big. He only weighs about 28 pounds. And then Arthur is my 16-year-old Yorkie that is deaf. We're in decision mode now as to when to put him down because he has this tumor and I don't want to put him through surgery. He's too old for that. So, okay, let's see. Oh, I was looking for my torch. It was right in front of me. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this a little torch. So while you're here, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And click on the bell next to the subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Follow me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Check out my Etsy shop, Christina Welch Art. And you can shop with me on Amazon. And I also have a sponsor link below if you'd like to sponsor my channel. I'll be doing giveaways for the sponsors. We just did one big giveaway for my 5,000 subscribers, and I mailed all those out on Monday. So we'll be doing something fun for 10,000. So share the videos so we get more subscribers quicker. And don't be afraid to post them on social media. Bring them on over. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I actually like this one. I've been getting quite a few I didn't like. Let me turn it around so you can see it the way that I'm seeing it, but you could hang it this way as well. Almost looks like an angel. Okay, there she is. I kind of like it with a little bit of cell action in it and not like big gobs of the big gobby juicy cells. So that's pretty cool. And this is going to dry a little bit different because of this white coming up through. So hopefully that'll give it even more character, huh? So I'm done with this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.